Hey everyone, my name is David Cottingham. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Airlock Digital. I'm here today at AusCert 2024 in the beautiful Gold Coast in sunny Australia. And today we're announcing the launch of Airlock version 5.3. This release really shows that we're concentrating on just allow listing, our core value proposition, and we're driving it to make it simpler and easier than ever. And I wanted to run you through some of the changes that we're making in this release. The first change is a small one, but a really important one. It's renaming application captures to allow lists. Now, this change is there for essentially simplicity. We want everything you want to trust to be on the allow list and everything you want to block to be on the block list, and intuitively makes sense. And this change sets us up for the next and probably largest feature that's in version 5.3, which is Allowlist Multirule Metadata. Now, the Allowlist Metadata engine allows you to only permit files to run under very specific circumstances. So you can tie publisher rules together with path rules, or with parent processes, or with users. And you can create these multi-conditional rules to do things like, let's say you want to allow Google code to run, but you only want to allow it to run in the Chrome folder. You can create rules like this to create tighter security and allow things to run in very specific circumstances. It greatly increases the flexibility of the product, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what our customers use this for. We're also introducing Allowlist Package Summary. It's really important to us that you understand, especially if you've trusted hashes, what's in the Allowlist packages. So we're summarizing these packages and giving you a snapshot of what's actually in them in a high level. So we're showing you, for example, all the publishers that are actually inside an Allowlist capture, and we're allowing you to convert publisher trust we're allowing you to convert hash-based trust into publisher trust in order to make, streamline your rule sets and make your policy sizes as small and as efficient as possible. We're also adding in customizable OTP durations in the product. Previously, we had fixed durations of OTPs. They were 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 6 hours, and so on. But now what you can do is you can actually specify the number of minutes that an Allowlist metadata rule will actually run for inside the product. So there's also a lot of engineering in this release. What we've done is we've rebuilt the entire front end of the Windows enforcement agent. And the reason we've done that is not only to ensure that we remain performant, but also to set us great foundations for delivering lots of new features over the next 12 to 18 months. The first feature that we're delivering with this entire rebuild is we're putting buttons now on toast notifications. So for example, you can have a block event which has a button which links to a specific website or gets a user to send an email. So you can have sort of a call to action. When a block event occurs, you can serve up instructions for the user to what they might need to do in order to get the file unblocked. So it's a greater way to communicate with the user base out there. We've also overhauled our documentation. It's really important that the information is consumable within the product, that's fully searchable, looks a lot nicer, and it allows us to expand that documentation significantly over the coming months. And finally, we've added a custom dashboard time selector in the product. So no longer in the dashboard, you're restricted to just saying today or the last 3 days. You can actually specify specific times which you want to see events within on the dashboard. So if you want to know more about the version 5.3 release, definitely check out the changelog. There's so many more changes and little features in there. And it's setting us up for version 5.3.1, which is coming out soon as well, which contains 2 big features we're really excited about: trusted installer and also browser extension control. So definitely stay tuned for that. But I just wanted to say thank you so much, and I look forward to speaking to you all soon.